Okay, I wish I saw these extensions before, but it's never too late, is it? Well, you can create a beautiful GNOME desktop using these extensions, which actually customize your shell in depth. Like, till now, we only had overlays or some effects, but these ones actually create a whole ecosystem and actually solo feel copy of macOS, but better. Well, let's start deep in, shall we?
Okay, so for the customization, I'm going to use the freshly installed GNOME 48 Fedora 42. Now, it's not even freshly installed. I'm on a live ISO, but still, it's going to do the job. So let's start with the first extension. Well, let's just set up NOS extensions first, shall we? There we go. Add, done. And now reload the page. Okay. And here we are. Now let's start with the first one, which is open bar. This is a major component which will actually customize the top GNOME shell bar. And this is the real deal. Enable, install, and just in a minute, there we go. And now let's go and move for the next extension. Now the next extension we have is GNOME Fuzzy. Let's just search it. Fuzzy. Fuzzy Claw. There we go. Well, what we're going to go is for fuzzy app search. You see, most of the time, whenever we are searching for an application, for example, calendar, calculator, sometimes we might just type something weird, the wrong spelling. And this extension will make everything smart enough that it will be able to actually pinpoint the application, even if you accidentally type something wrong. This is indeed useful for a lot of people, including me. And now the next and foremost, one of the most important one is Search Lite. Search for Search Lite. Well, just like macOS Spotlight, this one is for GNOME. And to be honest, it works pretty much like way better. Let's just enable it, install, and there we go. Now let's customize that. So let's go to install extensions. Well, already it looks pretty good. Yep, indeed it does. Now let's start with the open bar. Now I'd like to make it more compatible with my wallpaper. So okay, there is an auto theming feature as well. Let me just do a few changes only. Nothing more, nothing else. Override auto theme as in color. And now here I'm going to choose select. Hopefully it'll be able to fix that. Hopefully. Okay, we have to apply it first. Please select the desired theme. Okay, GNOME Dark. Right now I'm probably on GNOME Lite. So yeah, let's go on with the Lite theme. Apply. Definitely not. I'm gonna go with GNOME Dark theme, apply. Alright, we have to go here. Maybe, maybe not. Now let's try it again. Selected theme will apply in respective modes. That's so. Let's try again. Maybe pastel. No. Light. No. True color. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Okay, it actually matches everything. But there are a few things I need. For example, well, I'd like to not override anything at all. Okay, I'm gonna need to override everything. Apply. Now we have top bar properties, window max bar, bars foreground. This is important. The background. In the background section, I don't know what this like. We have panel shadow as well, but no apply. But what I need is a border, and the border color should be dark. Much better. But then I'm gonna have to remove the shadow. Shadow spread, nothing. Bar border, no. Neon glow, no I don't. Nope, I do. Okay then. Dash dark, everything looks good. GNOME shell, flat pack application, bar lights, bar foreground, maybe, maybe not, DOM bar. Now I'm gonna have to increase the margins to make it a little more focused. What about custom? Okay, now it's looking better. Now what margin? No, it doesn't work. Bar margins. Yeah, it's pretty much enough. Alright then, the first thing is done, the top bar. Maybe I should have gone with something else, but let's just go on with this. Now, what the most important one is the search light because it's a functionality, not just something which is visual. Now, first we need a keybind. So let's say for search, I'm gonna go with Windows space maybe, alt space, Windows alt space. Okay, then Windows alt space. And for this, Windows control space, maybe. Alright then, let's try it. But first, I'm gonna have to fix the top bar. Don't quite like the color. Open bar, auto theming, like a whatever. And the bar foreground, background, there we go. Okay then, let's try. Maybe this, select, No. Bar background color. Let's say if I go for something dark, I don't know, maybe not. Maybe it has to be a little white but bright like this. No, it doesn't. Maybe like this. Maybe. It does matches with the background, but I don't know. Well, let's try the spotlight. There we go. It just works. Let's say I want calendar. Nice. Chrome. Firebox. Okay. Now let's try the other one like this. Yes, it does works. Let's try to reset everything to the default version. Sometimes it's easy to mess up. Now in the auto theme in, here we are. Let's put the bar background, bar border. I don't want a neon glow. What I do want is just a border like this. Now it has to be a little hard so that it's at least visible like this much. Now in the foreground, let's change it to something better, like maybe this. I don't know, it's a little too bright. Maybe this. No. What about this? And now in the border, I go with pure white. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna go for margins. Increase the height to make it thick, at least this much. Increase the margin to make it a little more floating. Yep, it's okay-ish. Well, you're gonna have to try and test everything by yourself here. I'm still wondering which one to go for. Let's go for this one. Yeah, at least this one is matching. And with the other 10s, yes, it's okay. And I believe that's it. Yep, that's it. Yeah, this is the end result. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what do you think about it. And if you have any ideas for future videos, just comment me right below. I'll see and I'll try my best if the video is worthy of creating. Yep, I'll meet you next video. Till then, I'm Moon signing out.